Hi again. In the previous Chapter 8 videos, we recorded purchase-related transactions for Simpson's Card and Novelty Shop into the Purchases and General Journals and posted those transactions to the General Ledger and Accounts Payable Subsidiary Ledger. In this final Chapter 8 video, we will continue this exercise by using the balances on the individual vendor cards in the Accounts Payable Subsidiary Ledger to prepare a schedule of accounts payable at the end of the month. This video will continue using the same worksheets that you used in the previous Chapter 8 lectures. Let's get started. Turn to the Schedule of Accounts Payable for Simpson's Card and Novelty Shop, located towards the end of the worksheets provided in these lectures. As you can see, there's a heading for the worksheet, but no balances have been provided. All you need to do is record the vendor's name and the account balance as shown on their ledger card in the Accounts Payable Subsidiary Ledger. The cards are in alphabetical order, so start with Business Forms, Inc. We owe Business Forms, Inc. $11,710. Business Forms, Inc. $11,710. Next, Gifts and Holiday Cards, $6,900. Gifts and Holiday Cards, $6,900. Packing and Mailing Supply Center, $5,300. Packing and Mailing Supply Center, $5,300. And last, Specialty Business Cards, $1,100. Specialty Business Cards, $1,100. Next, we need to find the total of the accounts payable per the vendor cards. If I add up this column, I get $25,010. Finally, compare the total on the schedule of accounts payable with the balance shown in the General Ledger account for accounts payable. If the balances agree, all is well. If the balances don't agree, then there is an error somewhere, perhaps on the schedule of accounts payable, in one or more of the vendor ledger cards, and or in the General Ledger account for accounts payable. Any errors must be found and fixed before the accounting for the month is complete. Let's check to see if our Accounts Payable Subsidiary Ledger agrees with the balance of accounts payable in the General Ledger. The total on our schedule is $25,010. Turn to the General Ledger page for accounts payable, account number 203. You can see that the balance of accounts payable in the General Ledger is also $25,010. So the two ledgers are in balance. Well, that's all for Chapter 8. Please don't hesitate to send me an email if you have any questions on the Chapter 8 instructor videos or on the Chapter 8 materials themselves.